Conditionally format a cell if it contains formula. Is it possible to conditionally format a cell if the cell contains formula to alert myself and other users when updating the cell?
There is a very simple way to do this, tested in Excel 2016. Highlight your range you wish this to apply to, let's say from A3 column W20. Go into conditional formatting and select New Rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Put in equals is formula A3 and pick the format you want to apply. A3 is obviously a reference to the first cell in your range, but this formatting then applies to all. The result is that within your range, any cell that is a formula is conditionally formatted.
Building on Brecht's answer, because I found the linked article quite difficult to follow. Create a new conditional formatting rule and select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Insert the following formula, equals is formula indirect RC, false. If you want the rule to apply to the whole worksheet, $1 column $1,048,576 as the range to apply to. Otherwise, you can enter any range. The formula indirect RC, false, returns the reference of the current cell. If I ever use this in a sheet, I create a defined name called something like Thistle and use that in the formula, just in case I ever come back years later and think what the hell is this for?
You can use conditional formatting to do this by using XLM and range names. I have a longer article on using XLM with range names and conditional formatting to automatically format spreadsheets according to cell content. Define a range name as formula equals get.cell48, indirect RC, false. Apply a conditional formatting cells testing for the formula, E equals is formula with a color fill.
You can try these. Create a custom function with the following code. Example. To check if any cells in column A have any formulas. Highlight column A. Go to Conditional Formatting and GT, New Rule in GT. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Use the FF formula, equals is formula A1. Non-BA. Press F5 or Ctrl+G. Click Special. Choose Formulas and click OK. This highlights all cells in the worksheet that contains formulas. Set up the format you'd like to use. Or, go to Cell Styles, under the Home tab, and pick a style that you want to associate with formula-containing cells. To change the look and feel, right-click on the style that you selected and click Modify. All cells given this style will automatically be updated.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.